The new precast concrete slab machine production equipment is a new type of prefabricated component production machinery. It is suitable for the pushing forming of various prestressed circular hole panels in industrial and civil buildings. This machine has advanced technology and is easy to operate. Using this machine to produce hollow floor slabs can increase the work efficiency by 3 to 5 times compared with other methods from drawing, rapid demolding, etc., saving 30–50 kg of cement per cubic meter. The labor intensity of workers is reduced, the plate making speed is high, the texture is dense, the plate shape is neat, the size is accurate, the site utilization rate is high, and the turnover is fast. It is an ideal prefabricated component production equipment that replaces other production methods.